Hello kids, welcome back. Yesterday we have started our fourth chapter, that is multiplication. In our previous video we have done properties of multiplication, various terms that are related to multiplication, and multiplying a 3-digit or 2-digit number with a 1-digit without regrouping. Today, first we will revise the concept that has been told in previous video, and then we will move toward the next concept. So let us start. So first of all, suppose I take a number 13 and 2. So 13 2 ja, how much I will get? 13 2 ja, how much I will get? 13 2 ja, I will get 26. Now this first term, this 13 is multiplicand, this 2 is multiplier, and this 26 is product. This we have done yesterday. Okay, so the first term is multiplicand, this second term is multiplier, and the answer that we will get is our product. Okay, so this we have done yesterday. Now yesterday we have also done properties of multiplication. So let us revise them also. See, the first property that we have studied yesterday was the identity property or the multiplicative property of 1. That property states that if we multiply any number by 1, we will get the answer as the number itself. Okay, that this we have revised. Now 3 into 1, again we are multiplying a number by 3, so how much we will get? Again we will get 3 only. Now 17 into 1, we will get 17. Also 17 1 ja 17. Okay. Now the next thing that we have revised is multiplicative property of 0, which states that if we multiply any number by 0, we will get answer as 0. We will get 0. And we have also understand that 0 is a ganda bachcha. 0 whenever get multiplied with any number makes that number 0. So 0 is a ganda bachcha. Now suppose 58. If I have to multiply 58 into 0, what I will get? Again I will get 0 as a answer. Okay. Now moving toward the third property is the order property. Order property states that if I change the order of a number, the product will remain same. If I change the order of a number, the product will remain same. Now property. Fourth property was the property of regrouping. This we have done in addition also. Suppose I have to multiply 3 number. So I can regroup these number in any form. And my answer will remain same. I can regroup this number in any form. First I have regrouped 3 and 2 and later I have regrouped 4 and 3. But my answer will remain same in both the cases. Okay? Great. So here we have revised. Here we have revised all the properties of the multiplication. Now, let us do a new concept, that is multiplication with regrouping. Multiplication with regrouping. So today we will learn multiplying a number with one digit with regrouping. So first of all, let us revise 23 into 3. How much we will get? 23 into 3. How much we will get? What we will do in this question first? First we will multiply at ones place. So 3 multiplied with 3. How much we will get? 3 3 ja. 3 into 3. 3 3 ja. 9. 3 3 ja. 9. Now 3 2s are 3 2s are 3 into 2 6. 69 is our answer. Okay, let us take one more example. 142. Now I have to multiply 142 with 2. Now tell me the answer. How we will do this? We will start with ones place. We will start with ones place. So 2 2s are how much we will get? 2 2s are we will get 4. Now 2 4s are how much we will get? 2 4s are we will get 8. And now 2 1s are 2. So our answer will be 284. Our answer will be 284. Okay? Great. Now, so these are all the question without regrouping. ये सारे क्वेश्चन रीग्रुपिंग के नहीं थे, है ना? यहाँ पे हमें कैरी नहीं लेना पड़ा था. Now, the next thing that we are going to read is questions of regrouping. वहाँ पे हमें कैरी लेना होगा. हमने कैरी लेना सीखा है ना एडिशंस में, एंड हमने बोरोइंग सीखी है सब्ट्रैक्शंस में. So the same concept we will apply here also. Okay? Same concept we will apply here also. Okay? Let us do. Okay. Suppose I take a number 12 and I have to multiply 5 in this 12. Okay. I have to multiply 5 in 12. How much I will get? Okay. First we will start with reading table. First we will start with reading table at ones place. So when we read table at ones place, how much we will get? Here 12 into 5. Okay. So 2 into 5. 2 5s are, count table after me. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. And 2 5s are 10. Okay. So here we have got 10. So for 10, we will write 0 here. We will not write whole 10 here. We will only write 0. Okay, and we will put 1 as carry here. Okay, this we have done in addition also now. Now read table. At tens place, we are having 1. So 5 ones are, any number that get multiplied by 1, answer will be 5 ones are 5. Answer will be 5. Now 5 plus 1. How much we will get? 6. So 5 2s are 10. We will write 0. Then we will put a 1 here. Then 5 1s are 5. And then plus 1 carry 6. We will get 60. Okay. Let us understand one more time. Now suppose 34 multiply by 3. 34 multiply by 3. Okay. Now we will start with ones place. वंस प्लेस से हम शुरू करेंगे, है ना. वंस प्लेस पे हमारे पास क्या है? 3 है और 4 है, तो हम 3 और 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करने पे हमें क्या मिल रहा है? 3 4 जा काउंटेबल, 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9 and 3 4 जा 3 4 जा 12. We have got 12. For 12 we will write 2 here. We will write 2 here. And what we will do? We will put a carry 1 here. हम यहाँ पे carry 1 देंगे. 12 आंसर आया, 12 का 2 हमने लिखा और 1 हमने कैरी दे दिया. Now टेंथ प्लेस पे हमारे पास क्या है? 3 into 3 है. टेंथ प्लेस पे हमारे पास 3 into 3 है. So 3 3s are, how much we will get? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, and 9 plus 1 10. So our answer will be 102. 102. Okay, great. Now let us understand this with the help of one more example, and then we will solve the worksheet. Suppose I take 52 multiply by 4. Okay, 52 multiply by 4. How we will do this question? 52 multiply by 4. We will start with ones place. At ones place we are having 2. So 4 into 2 we will get 8. So we will write 8 here. Now see, only single digit, only one digit number came as the answer. So we will not put any carry here. At tens place पे कोई carry नहीं होगा. Now 5 4s are 20. So we will write 20 here. Okay. Now kids, moving toward our worksheets. Let us do a worksheets. Okay. Some question I will explain to you and some question you will do. Okay. Great. Let us do. Okay. 2 digit by 1 digit multiplication. 2 digit by 1 digit multiplication. Calculate each product. Calculate each product. Okay. Now let us start. We will start with first question. Now first question we are having 34 multiply by 5. 34 multiply by 5. So we will start with ones place. At ones place we are having 4 into 5. Okay. Ones place we are having 4 into 5. So 4 5s are, count table of 4. Count table of 4 5 times. How much you will get? 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 are 8, 4 3 are 12, 4 4 are 16 and 4 5 are 20. So for this 20 we will write 0 at ones place. We will just write a 0 at ones place and we will put a 2 carry here. We will put a carry 2 at the tens place. Now we have to multiply tens place number with our multiplier, that is 3 into 5. Now 5 3s are 3 into 5. 5 3s are 3 5s are 15. Okay, 15 we have got our answer. And now 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 we will get 17. Okay. Now, so our answer for 34 into 5 is 170. Our answer for 34 into 5 will be 170. 170. Okay. Now let us move toward the next question. Now kids, next question is very easy. Do this question yourself. Next question is very easy. Do this question yourself. Here we are having 93 into 3. This is question without regrouping. That's why I am telling you to do this. Do this better and tell me the answer. Do this. Okay, completed? Okay, now. So, now at ones place we are having 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. And we are at tens place we are having 9 into 3. So, count 3's table 9 times. How much we will get? 3's table 9 times. How much we will get? 3 9s are 3 9s are 27. So we have got 279 as our answer. So I hope you all have also got the same answer. Okay. Now moving towards the third question. 56 into 7. 56 into 7. Okay. Let us do. Now complete it. 56 into 7. Let us do. So we will start with ones place. At ones place we are having 6 and 7. So what we will do? We will multiply 6 into 7. So better multiplying 6 into 7, how much we will get? Tell me. 6 into 7, how much we will get? Count the table. 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja, 6 3 ja, 6 4 are, 6 5 are, 6 6 are, 6 7 ja, 6 7 are 42. Okay. So 6 7s are 42. So how much we will write at ones place? We will write 2 at the ones place. Okay. We will write 2 at the ones place. Now we are having 7 into 5. At our tens place we are having 5 and that we have to multiply with 7. So 7 into 5. How much we will get? Count 7 table 5 times. Also 7 6 are 42. We have written 2 here and we will put a carry 4 here. Now count 7 table 5 times. 7 5 7 ones are 7 twos are 7 threes are 7 fours are 7 fives are 35. Okay, now 35 we have got the answer of product of 7 and 5. There we have to add 4. Why we have to add 4? Because we 4 is our carry. 4 carry है ना हमारा, इसलिए हमें 35 में उसे add करना होगा. Now add, how much we will get? 5 plus 4 9 and 3 3 39. So our answer is 392. 56 into 7 we will get 392. Okay. Now next question is a easy question. Try it yourself. Try it yourself. 47 into 2. 47 into 2. Try it yourself, beta. Completed. Okay. Let us do. At ones place we are having 7 into 2. So 7 twos are 14. So for 14 we will write 4 here and we'll put a carry 1 at the top. Now at 10th place we are having 4. Now 4 twos are 8 and 8 plus 1 9. So our answer will be 94. You have also got the same answer, Hannah? Good boy. Very good. Chalo. Let us do the next question. Now, next question is 68 multiply by 6. First you guys do this question. 68 multiply by 6. First you guys do this question. Do this. Completed. Now we are having 68 into 8. We will start with ones place. So at ones place we are having 8 into 6. At ones place we are having 8 into 6. How much we will get beta when we multiply 8 by 6? और अगर हम 8 का टेबल 6 टाइम्स पढ़ेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? Now one thing I want to make it clear to you all. मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीज़न हमारी तभी अच्छी होगी जब हमें टेबल लर्न होगा. जितने अच्छे से, जितना थॉरोली हमें टेबल लर्न होगा उतना अच्छा हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीज़न में कर सकते हैं. नाउ वन मोर थिंग, ये लॉकडाउन एक बहुत ही अच्छा टाइम आप लोग को मिला है. नाउ यूटिलाइज दिस टाइम टू लर्न टेबल अप टू 20. 2 to 20 ये इतने टेबल सबको लर्न होने चाहिए. 2 to 20. ओके, आई होप you all will learn tables. Now 8 6 the 48. Now for 48 we will write 8 here and we'll put a carry 4 at the top. Now at tens place we are having 6. So 6 into 6 we will get 6 6 is 36. Okay, great. Now 36 plus 4, 36 plus 4 we will get. Add 4 in 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. How much we have got? We have got 40. That we will write here. Now our answer is 408. Okay, good job. Now let us do this question. Wow, this question is easy. Do this question. This question is very easy. Do this question yourself. (38 into 3). Completed हो गया सबका? Okay, now 8 threes are at ones place we are having 8 and 3. Multiplying that 8 into 3 we will get 8 threes are 24. We will write 4 here and we'll put a carry 2 at the top. Now 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9 and 9 plus 2 10, 11. We will get 11. So our answer will be 114. Our answer will be 114. Very good. I hope you all have got the same answer, है ना? Okay, now let us do some selective question. Do this question. 60 into 6. Very easy question. Do it fast. Do this question. This question is somehow based on the properties of multiplication. Do it fast. Okay. Now, here we have at one place we are having 0 and 6. Here we have to multiply 0 by 6 or 6 by 0. So we have read this in our properties of multiplication, that any number that we multiplied with 0 will become 0. So 0 6 is a 0 or 6 zeros are 0. Now what we are left with? 6 into 6. 6 into 6 we will get 6 6 are 36. So our answer will be 360. Our answer will be 360. Shabash, good. Do this question very similar to this one. Completed? Okay. So here also 2 zeros are we will get 0, and now at tens place we are having 2 into 2. So 2 twos are 4. Our answer is 40. Good. Now kids, let us solve one difficult problem. Solve this question. Solve this question. completed. Okay, let us do. So here we are having 9 into 9. So 9 nines are 9 nines are how much? 81. So we will write here 1 and we'll put a carry 8 at the top. Now at tens place we are having 6 into 9. So 6 into 9 will give us 9 6 are 54. We have got 54 and then we have to add 8 in this 54. How much we will get? Count after 54. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. 621. We have got 621 as our answer. Okay. Okay kids. So that's it for today. We will meet tomorrow.